Alright guys, in this short video I want to talk about 4 fun little planes that we've messed around with and which one I believe you should get if you are a beginner and you've never flown anything. Alright, let's start from the right. I'm going to go over this all-in-one drone here. This one is very easy to fly. It's pretty easy to set up, and it flies like a plane if you set it up in this configuration. However, you don't need that much space to fly it in, so if you want to fly it in your garage or your living room, you can get away with that. Then we have this one over here, the F-22. This one is actually just a drone, and so it flies like a drone. It won't glide like a plane. Is it easy to put together? Yes. It's actually the one out of all of these that you don't have to do any assembly at all. You just install the battery and that's it, and you just fly it around. Then after that we have the baby QF, this one here. That one has a lot of assembly required, and thanks to its setup here in the wing, it is in my opinion the best glider out of them. It's even better than this one when it comes to gliding. However, you need to be at a park. You can't fly this indoors. And then the last one here is this 787, the Boeing aircraft. And this one here is the one that's going to require the most assembly, glue, and it's sort of hit and miss. If you assemble it correctly, then if you hit something, then it won't fall apart. If you don't, then you may lose pieces and you may snap a wing, or you may, so it's just a little bit more complicated for people to use, and I would recommend it for someone who's already flown something like the Baby first before you get that. So I would say for absolute beginners, the 2 best planes would be this one and this one, and if you're a little bit more capable, I would go with this one, and at the very last I would say that one. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video and this helps you when you're looking for something to buy, and I'll see you in the next one.